Guys, so we have discussed until now the business models of Amazon, but someone can start one of those business model if he's having some of investment in his hands. But if you're not having investment, so what you can do now? How you can start earning from Amazon? So there is a field of virtual assistants. So who is virtual assistant? Basically, virtual assistants are service providers who assist the seller on Amazon, whoever the seller is, like if he is doing private label or wholesale or drop shipping. So these virtual assistant assist those sellers and like make their business, manage their business, and evaluate all of the account. And there are so many fields for virtual assistants to deal with. So you can sell your services on Amazon. How you can sell? Like by assisting the sellers. So what should I sell? There are, as I told you, that there are so many services that you can sell, and in virtual assistants you do not need to have investment in hands, but you just should be having the service. You should be an expert of Amazon, and that's enough to start with virtual assistant as a virtual assistant. So list of services you can sell these services that are all mentioned here: seller account management, product hunting, product sourcing, keyword research, competitor analysis, image designing and photographies, product listing and listing optimization, creating FBA shipments, launching ranking, and so on. You can just read it out. And we will be discussing each of these topics in the course so that you can provide each of these service on the end of this course and make a handsome amount. So let's go on. So the first service is seller account management. So what is seller account management? Let's go live to the seller account. Yeah, so friends, here is the seller account in front of you. Here is catalog, inventory, pricing, orders. So these all tabs that you can see here, these tabs need management, someone there to manage all these tabs. And you can provide the service to manage any of these tabs, like catalog, inventory, and pricing, and orders management. And especially the people need someone to manage the orders in FBM model. So you can provide services as seller account management. Now let's go down. Here is product hunting. So you can provide your services in a field of product hunting, and we'll be discussing this field in detail. We'll be having many lectures on this topic. So it's not like that you just wish that I like this product. Okay, I like comb, I like a pizza peel, so I will just start selling that product on Amazon. No, it's not like that. But before you start selling that product on Amazon, you have to evaluate that product. Either you have to do it by yourself as a seller, or you will need any service provider, any virtual assistant. So here comes the work for a virtual assistant. So when a virtual assistant get an order for product hunting, you will be knowing that what is product hunting, how I should hunt a product, I should research a product, and you will research that product as a virtual assistant and give it to the seller, and you will charge him for that service. Same guys, as there is like product hunting, you can do product sourcing for the clients from China, from somewhere. It needs expert in sourcing, that he should deal with the China manufacturers, and like he should not be scammed, and the product quality and everything should be okay, perfect. So you can provide the services of sourcing to the clients. Keyword research services. It's not like a physical business. You need to understand the keywords science, that what is keyword, how the search engines work, and especially the Amazon search engine. It's a separate search engine. So after completing this course, I'm sure you will be an expert of keyword research and SEO, like search engine optimization, especially related to Amazon. So you will be able to provide this service to clients, and you can do competitor analysis for the clients. Competitor analysis is a separate field. Okay, same you can do image designing and photography, and you can provide these services to Amazon sellers. And product listing. What is product listing? Basically, you need to list the product. If the seller do not know how, like he's just an investor, he is not having the knowledge of how to list the product on Amazon. So you will be able after this course that you can list the product on Amazon. Single or variations, adding all of variations in one listing under one parent SN. So you will be an expert after this course, inshallah. That's why you can sell this service as well of product listing. And listing optimization, it's the same as like if a seller is already have listed a product and he has made the content for the detail page of Amazon, but that content is not optimized. It needs optimization. It needs keyword research and search engine optimization. So you can provide that service to the clients and sellers of Amazon, and creating FBA shipments. Before sending something to Amazon, you need to tell Amazon that what you are sending to their warehouse, and Amazon will let you know that which warehouse is having space for your inventory. So they will let you know, and you will copy that address of the warehouse and you will give it to the client, and you will put all the information that supplier has given to you about the inventory, that what's the size and what are the dimensions and what are the weights for the boxes and for the products. So you will put all that in the shipping plans, so you can sell this service. Launching and ranking, it's not like a physical business. So in the start you need to launch, you need to plan for the launch, that how you will launch the product. It's not just that you have listed the product on Amazon and it will be sold. Yeah, it happens, but in wholesale model. In private label model, you need to launch with a plan, and you need to rank that listing, that product. So you use different strategies like PPC, auto manual, and exact campaigns, and phrase and broad, and you use boosters, find, search, and like we call it SABO, SABO, search and buy order. So you use these strategies, and ATC, add to cart, and influencer marketing. With these all, you rank the product, you launch the product. So it's you can say it's the most important service. So you can sell this service to the Amazon sellers. And PPC, after this course, I am sure you will be an expert of PPC, pay-per-click campaigns. It's a specific particular with Amazon, this PPC. So you will be an expert, and you will be able to provide the services for PPC campaigns on Amazon to the Amazon sellers. And you can give the service for A+ content manager. We will be discussing this topic as well in the next lessons. It's just a brief overview for all of you. It's also called EBC, enhanced brand content. So you can provide the services of this, and you can give services for coupons and promotions to the Amazon sellers. Same, you can give services for FBM order management and Me Too listing. It's something different than private label listing. You just go and Me Too that listing by putting the SN in your add to product tab. And listing error fixing, this is also a really good service. If you are expert of the Amazon policies regarding listing any product, so you can fix the errors. Like a seller has listed a product and there is some violation in his listing, which is causing the suppression of Amazon, that seller listing. So you will investigate and you will research that what is there, because Amazon do not tell you that what was the error there in your listing too. So you will have to find it by your own. So you can provide this service as well to the seller whose listing is suppressed, and you can fix his listing. Same, you can give customer support. So you can give customer support service to your clients as well. You can see here is a specific tab. Yeah, reports, yeah, feedback. So here you get the feedbacks and voice of customer. So you can deal these specific, like with these tabs as well, this drop down feedback and voice of customer. So customer support, like any customer has placed the order on Amazon, so if he faced any kind of uh, bad experience with your product, so you need to solve it for the customer. So it needs a specific person which is available there for the customers who are placing order, the buyers. So you can provide this service to the clients. And now how much a virtual assistant, but I will say a pro virtual assistant should charge Amazon seller. At least he should charge $300. This is the at least charges, and maximum he should handle just 3 clients, not more than that, because we should focus on the quality of service. And if the clients increase more than, you get more than 3 clients, so um, you should like make an agency there in your own city or somewhere, like hire the people with you so that you can maintain your quality of service. So that's why I have just suggested you that you should be charging at least 300, and maximum you should deal only with 3 clients.